Finding the path to profitable, sustainable growth is the essential challenge every business must solve. Revenue management replaces gut instinct with data-driven decisions that balance the needs of all stakeholders. Revenue management is both a mindset and a systematic approach that optimizes profitability through 5 key levers. At its foundation is strategic price. Get this wrong, and even the best strategies with other levers will struggle. Strategic price finds the optimal price point that maximizes total value, like a premium yogurt brand setting prices slightly lower to increase volume and generate higher overall profits despite reduced per unit margins. Promotion includes temporary discounts that drive sales for a specific period of time, such as a tech company offering a seasonal smartphone discount. Price pack architecture determines product formats for different outlets, such as a healthcare brand offering a standard-sized product in the supermarket and travel-sized version at the airport, each priced for their specific size and use case. Mix management focuses on optimizing a product portfolio's profitability, similar to quick-service restaurants including a higher profit item within their meal bundles. Contracts and conditions structure agreements with partners, including volume discounts that support business goals. Successful revenue management starts with 3 fundamentals. First, success begins with strategic price, the foundation for all other efforts. Second, satisfy all stakeholders' needs, especially the non-negotiable needs of end users. Third, create a common truth with reliable data, establishing a data foundation to support KPIs that all stakeholders trust and use. SKIM's revenue management framework builds on these principles, recognizing the sweet spot where all stakeholders win, focusing on the commercial levers that influence end-user selection, taking company KPIs into consideration for tactical and strategic recommendations, and optimizing business levers within your unique business context. SKIM partners with businesses to navigate revenue management complexity with precision and greater certainty. Visit skimgroup.com to transform your approach.